BTU per hour. And to convert into tons, we're going to have a 646,500 over 12,000 is equal to 53.625 tons. And for number 2, we have a unit of speed equals to 45 kilowatts. And TR is 51.1 tons, and we're going to solve for ER. So we have a BTU output, which is 51.1 times 12,000 is equals to 630,200 BTU per hour, and ER is equals to 630,200 over 45,000, which is equals to 13.63 BTU per 1 hour. And for number 3, we have a unit of speed is equals to 150. CR is 1.2 kilowatt per ton, and WC to BTU per hour is equals to 3,412.40 BTU per hour, and we're going to solve for WC. So we have a Q, which is 150 tons times 12,000 is equals to 1,800,000 BTU per hour, and PC is PR times CR. So we're going to put that in. We have 150 times 1.2, which is 180 kilowatt, and WC is PC times 3,412.14, which is equals to 180 times 3,412.14, which is 614,185.2 BTU per hour.